how to use the Vbet mobile app for fast betting. Now, if you're the type of person who uses the mobile version quite frequently and not the website, you want to use the Vbet mobile app so you can relatively bet faster. It's quite simple. Now, first of all, Vbet has different apps for different reasons. So if you go to your Chrome and type in Vbet Play Store or Vbet App Store, you'll find the Vbet app for different reasons. Like there's a Vbet Sportsbet, there's a Vbet NL, there's the Vbet Paris Sport Tips, and there are many apps as such which you can basically use. You just have to download the one based on your wish. But if you want to, you can also use the website version of Vbet, which is exactly the same, right? So once you've downloaded and installed the Vbet app from the official sources, such as the website or if available in your region, you can simply install it and make sure that you're registered for your account. Next step is you must make sure that your account is funded, right? So you can go to your profile, check if your account is funded, and then only you can try to place some bets. So you can see the deposit option. You can choose to deposit some money into your Vbet account. Then over here you can navigate to the live games if you want. You can also go to the sports bet if you want to, or you can go to menu bet, however else it is. You'll be able to go ahead and then select a type of event, and from there you can place your bet. This way you can bet using the Vbet mobile app for fast betting. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.